Hello and welcome. This is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. A very disturbing case has come to light from Uttar Pradesh's Bulandshahr district. A 36-year-old man has been sentenced to life imprisonment. Now you might be wondering what's so disturbing in that. It is because this man was sentenced for raping his 60-year-old widowed mother. The sentencing was handed down by a fast-track court in Uttar Pradesh on Monday after a thorough investigation led by Additional District Judge Varun Mohit Nigam. The convict, identified as Abid, was also fined with Rs 51,000 for his heinous crime. Before we begin, I'd like to remind our viewers that as a channel, we are committed to bringing attention to crimes against women and children. There are countless cases of rape and assault that go often unheard and unnoticed. But being a responsible channel, we will continue to highlight such cases which are happening every day, every minute. Our platform will always stand with the victims, ensuring that their voices are heard and their stories are told. Now let's try to understand the whole incident that led to this gruesome crime. The incident took place on January 16, 2023 in a village called Bulandshahr. According to the first information report lodged by Abid's younger brother, the two had gone to a nearby farm to collect fodder for cattle, where Abid forcibly raped his mother. The victim later confided in his younger brother, who initially tried to handle the situation within the family. However, Abid continued to threaten his mother, demanding that she live with him as his wife. Frustrated, the younger son finally filed a police complaint. The FIR was registered on January 18, 2023, and Abid was arrested shortly after on January 22. According to the court order, the victim in her statement said that the son took her to the field, gagged her with a cloth before raping her, and pressured her to engage in sexual acts regularly. She said, "I folded my hands and pleaded with him, but he raped me. I kept saying him that I was an old woman. I lost consciousness. When I regained it, he threatened to kill me if I told anyone about the incident. He also asked me to sleep with him every night." Despite his threats, the woman confided in her younger son and niece. Together, they reported the case to the authorities, leading to Abid's arrest. During the trial, the victim reiterated her harrowing experience, repeatedly referring her son to as a monster. The prosecution, led by Government Counsel Vijay Sharma, presented the case, emphasizing that it was an unprecedented incident in his whole career. He described how the victim's testimony, where she openly referred to her son as a rapist and monster, shocked everyone present in the courtroom. The court took into account all the evidence presented and swiftly concluded the case within 20 months, which is remarkable for such serious crime. He said, and I quote, "Today, the Honorable Court has delivered a historic verdict. In my years of practice, I have never seen or heard of a mother in a serious crime like 376, weeping and repeating that her son is a monster who raped her." On the other hand, Abid had denied the charges, claiming that the allegations were fabricated by his family. However, the court found no evidence to support these claims, with the defense failing to provide any witnesses to substantiate the property dispute. The court rejected Abid's claims, noting that no mother would falsely accuse her son of rape in material gain. In addition to the life sentence of rape, the court also convicted Abid of criminal intimidation, for which he received 1 year prison sentence and additional fine of Rs 1,000. Both sentences will run concurrently. Judge Varun Mohit Nigam delivered the judgment, stating that the conviction was a part of wider effort by the state government to expedite cases of heinous crimes, particularly those involving violence against women. This initiative was known as Operation Conviction, was launched in July 2023 by BJP's Yogi Adityanath. It aimed to ensure swift justice by speeding up the investigation and trial processes in such cases. Bulandshahr's Rural Police Chief Rohit Mishra commented on the verdict, saying that this rape case was registered about 1.5 years ago. The police had registered the FIR under relevant sections, and today justice has been served. A fast-track court has sentenced the convict to imprisonment and imposed a fine of Rs 51,000. Despite the defense's efforts to cast doubt on the victim's testimony, the court sided with the prosecution, citing a previous Supreme Court ruling. The court emphasized that the rape victim testimony is generally accepted unless there is substantial evidence suggesting otherwise. The court also said if the victim of rape states on oath that she was forcibly subjected to sexual intercourse, her statement will normally be accepted, even if it is uncorroborated. The judge said, quoting the ruling. The court added that the lack of visible injuries on the victim did not undermine the credibility of her testimony. The victim is now in her 60s and she expressed relief at the verdict, hoping that it would bring end to her ordeal. While talking to the media, she also said that after the death of my husband, my son wanted me to live like his wife. The woman's husband died 10 years back. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.